This remedy will help you protect the kidneys from cholesterol. This natural plant compound can block cholesterol absorption, and this one is the most powerful home remedy in the world. Catherine from Double O Kidney here. Welcome to our journey together to a better kidney health. There are 5 ways to lower your cholesterol levels fast and protect your kidneys from one of the worst health dangers of our time. Having high cholesterol levels is not just a cause of death, it's a constant cause of kidney damage. Lowering cholesterol levels with the 5 natural remedies of today's video is an easy way to improve your kidney function. Why is cholesterol so dangerous for the kidneys? The main danger posed by cholesterol is blocking the arteries. This chronic condition is also known as atherosclerosis. It limits the very needed flow of oxygen-rich blood to your organs, and it can lead to serious problems including heart attack and stroke. These are 2 of the most common causes of death in the world, and this is very bad clearly. But to make things worse, in people with kidney disease, very often vessels are already narrower than normal. While this is a cause of concern on its own, if you add cholesterol to the mix, the results may be catastrophic for the kidneys. Now guys, if your cholesterol levels are higher than normal, don't worry. There are 5 fast ways to lower cholesterol that will also improve kidney health. Our number 2 in particular is probably the most powerful natural remedy for cholesterol and general health in the world. Don't miss that one. But first, let's see our number 5. Number 5, Plant Sterols and Stanols. Oh, a very interesting remedy. These are plant-based compounds, natural substances that block cholesterol absorption in the intestine during food digestion. This forces the body to draw bad cholesterol out of the bloodstream, lowering your levels. According to the latest national guidelines on cholesterol, adding plant sterols and stanols can lower bad cholesterol by around 15%. These researchers also showed that you only need to take this remedy for 8 weeks to see results. And that's really great for kidney health. It's what you usually will get from taking medications, but without the side effects. Plant sterols and stanols are in fact natural compounds found in grains, vegetables, fruits, legumes, nuts, and seeds. And while these foods are very healthy, to get enough plant sterols and stanols to lower bad cholesterol by 15%, you need a supplement because, as we can see here, you will need around 1000 milligrams twice daily of plant sterols and stanols to have a significant effect on cholesterol. To get this level of plant sterols through food, you'd had to eat 16 heads of broccoli. Yeah, go tell that to your renal dietitian. Plant sterols can be found in some brand name supplements such as Colistuff and Centrum Cardio, and also in less expensive but still effective brands. Shop carefully and consult your doctor before taking any remedy. There is no reason to think that these plant compounds may be dangerous though. Now guys, this supplement is very powerful against cholesterol, but our number 4 is one of the most powerful ways to lower cholesterol you can find. Wait, shouldn't it be number 1 if it's so powerful? Well, there is a reason. Let's see it. Number 4, red yeast rice. Red yeast rice, sold as a cheap supplement worldwide, is the product of yeast grown on rice. The powdered yeast rice mixture is a dietary staple in Asia, and it also has some incredible benefits on cholesterol levels and kidney health. Taking it for 18 weeks can significantly lower blood sugar levels, blood pressure, and insulin resistance, according to a recent study. In particular, cholesterol levels of the participants went down by 31.7 milligrams per DL, which is really impressive. It's also a powerful anti-inflammatory. It protects the kidneys by several mechanisms. To get these results, most major supplement brands on the market generally recommend taking between 1200 to 2400 milligrams daily, divided into 2 to 3 doses. This should provide around 10 milligrams of monocholine. Important! This is the main active ingredient here. If you want to supplement red yeast rice, find a brand that certifies this amount of monocholine. And also find a product that is citrulline free. Now guys, these benefits are really amazing. They can have a huge positive impact on the health of your kidneys. And the reason is monocholine. Now, monocholine is also the reason why this natural remedy is not our number one for today. Monocholine is the same ingredient that you can find in many prescription cholesterol lowering medicines. And while the supplement is generally considered safe, it might carry the same potential side effects as statin cholesterol medicines, which include liver damage and muscle disorders. Statins are still one of the most prescribed medicines in the world though, because the positive effects far outweigh the side effects. So, which one should you use? Statins or red yeast rice? Red yeast rice might cost less than a statin. However, with a supplement, there's less assurance regarding quality and how much active ingredient is actually in the product. Guys, I don't actually recommend taking this remedy to people who have access to statins. But I know that many people watch me from areas of the world where it's not always easy to get medicines. So if you only can find or afford red yeast rice, go for it. It works. It can help. But if your doctor prescribes statins to you, take statins. Even if I think that if you start using the remedies I'm showing you today, your need for statins will be really reduced. How? Well, our number 3 in particular is a remedy that's cheap as dirt, effectively blocks cholesterol absorption, and protects the kidneys. Psyllium husk. Okay, I always recommend taking this one even if your cholesterol levels are not high. Psyllium husk has a lot of benefits for the kidneys because it's a natural source of soluble fiber. According to several studies, higher dietary fiber intake is associated with decreased inflammation and a slower progression of chronic kidney disease, even in patients in the advanced stages. And obviously, it rapidly lowers cholesterol levels. When you take psyllium husk 1 teaspoon 3 times a day, 15 to 30 minutes before a meal, it will dissolve into a gel-like substance in the intestines, which binds with the bile acids that form cholesterol and in doing so, moves up cholesterol. More cholesterol ends up in your bowel movements and the body needs to pull cholesterol from the blood with immense benefits. This is why you may have already heard about brands such as Metamucil, Citrusal, and Fiberol, but you don't actually need to pay a premium for brand names to get a supplement that does his job. As I was saying, 1 teaspoon 3 times a day is the most common dose. People taking it can have a 7% drop in cholesterol in just 6 months, which is a lot. Especially because if you combine it with the other remedies of today's video, your need for cholesterol medications may completely disappear. What's more, psyllium may also help regulate blood sugar levels in people with diabetes, a very nice benefit. It has 2 side effects though. First, it can cause bloating and other digestive issues, easily avoided if you start with smaller doses before getting to the full dose. It also may reduce the absorption of prescription medicines. So it's better to take medicine 2 hours before or after taking psyllium husk. Our number 2 is one of the natural remedies with the most powerful benefits in the world. Number 2 is berberine. Have you ever heard about it? Berberine is a natural compound found in some plants like barberry, golden seal, gold thread, turmeric, and more. It's one of the most powerful remedies on earth because it affects the body at the molecular level. Berberine is one of the few supplements that are as effective as a prescription medicine. It protects the kidneys because it can significantly lower blood sugar levels, lower blood pressure, and it also helps with weight loss. And obviously, it has an incredible effect on cholesterol, comparable to statins, but with less side effects. In people with high cholesterol levels, berberine was found to reduce bad cholesterol by 23 milligrams per dl in just 3 months. Amazing! It also caused a significant reduction in triglyceride, but without affecting good cholesterol, and it works differently from today's standard cholesterol medications, so it may help treat people who are resistant to statins, for example. It is common to take 500 milligrams 3 times per day before meals, a total of 1500 milligrams per day. The only concern is that berberine can interact with some medications such as immunosuppressants and blood thinners. As usual, consult your doctor if you want to start taking it. Berberine is very safe for people with kidney problems. I wouldn't recommend it otherwise. Doctors are even starting to recommend it to their patients in many cases. Actually, berberine has now been tested in hundreds of different studies, and it has been proven to reduce the risk of death from heart and kidney disease without significant side effects. Yet, there is another, even better, natural remedy against cholesterol and kidney disease. Our number 1 is garlic plus lemon. Okay guys, you know that I'm partial to garlic. The more I learn about it, the more I'm amazed by it. There is an absurd quantity of studies proving that it works. It can help improving kidney health. And this is why everyone suffering from kidney disease, from diabetes, high blood pressure, or other metabolic conditions should take advantage of it. And according to recent studies, garlic can also help with high cholesterol levels. To get this benefit though, you should prepare it in a special way and combine it with lemon. If you don't know how to do this, please watch this video up here. Everything will be clearer. Okay guys, this was our last one. I will be here again next Sunday to answer a very important question. Can you drink coffee with kidney disease? Don't miss this one. See you there. Bye!